That way. One time for your mind. Check it. I started from the ground floor now. I live upstairs. You need to step up to understand what's going on upstairs. There is no hope down here, so I only look upstairs. If you see it and feel it, then you don't need a prophet. I've been obsessed with making it out. Fuck poverty, I'm upset, I'm saying it out. If you haven't lost it all, start afresh, then we make it, then you won't fully appreciate those that really made it. Had to cut this one across, so I switched up my lingua. Agebozo kele diochi mane kelende na mingua. Live a life of gratitude now. Obuganyo wendo, if it happen like a camera flash, it go end there. You know, easy for a guy man to the package for country where the senior citizens still they manage. If not for Arizona, for don't blow, but to hustle make I blow here, a lot I don't show. So I don't trust no one but my instincts. Tells me what to do, and I listen cause it never failed me. Don't listen to the words, watch out for the body language. If the energy is not right, offline to avoid damage. My mind is conscious, so I notice like jewelries. I'm afraid of chains cause they bring bad memories back. This rap is for the future, for those that didn't tutor, the things that didn't teach us, mistakes that didn't kill us, the pains and the hiccups, for those that lost hope. Ogozona Degema and those that kept hope. Nobodona Degema, you gotta let my people go. And that with tempera mosi, so I can take her surprise, Katena Tanenge notice. Now let that marinate. Let that marinate. I feel like Malcolm X with the mentality. I still they show my exes love like a gratuity. Spread love, my people. Spread love like the way Jehovah Witness is knocking on your doors. Like in the family, when the father providing and when the mother is caring and when the children are loving, the picture beautiful. So draw yourself closer to the magic moment to create yourself. Don't stay at a place. Triangles. Opportunity comes three ways. Triangles. From the top chef. That way. Whoa.